Hello, today we're gonna make a sweet pickled salad. It's delicious and it can last for like a week in the refrigerator. To that we're gonna need some cabbage, one cabbage, carrot, garlic, beet, and vinegar, salt, water, vanilla, and some sugar. And yeah, to get started, we're gonna need to grate or use this thing, whatever it's called, and do that with our cabbage. Then using a large grater, we're going to grate carrot and one large beet. And using a small grater, we're going to grate our garlic. Set that aside in a saucepan or some kind of pot. Add in the water, the oil, vinegar, or you can do vinegar last, some salt and sugar. Heat that. When it starts to boil, remove from heat, pour it in here. How easy is that? Then here's the vinegar, but you can add the vinegar to the pot as well, will work great. Mix this up. Cover it up, put it in the refrigerator overnight is the best, but you can eat